I can't remember where I heard it before, but there's a golf course. There are many golf courses, but there's a golf course somewhere. And there was a couple of boys who found out that golf players are not all elite golf players. They're not all pro golf players. So many players shoot the golf ball outside of the golf course, outside of the, the markings of the golf course, which means the golf balls are no longer on the land owned by the golf club, which means you can take the golf balls. Different laws may apply to different countries. So they picked up the golf balls and they took home the golf balls. There was a lot of bags and buckets with golf balls of equal sizes and softness and hardness, etc. They took the golf balls home, washed them in bucket with high pressure, etc. water, and then took and placed each size in each bowl and each hardness. So that is to sort them, to organize them. They then went out to the golf course. They were smart to the entrance to the golf course and sold the golf balls to players for half the price of what a golf shop would sell the balls for. And remind you, there was nothing wrong with the golf balls. Yeah, they were used maybe a few times, but nothing wrong with them. No scratching, no markings, nothing. They were just shot over the fence, and the boys could then sell them for half the price of what a shop sold them for. That's a way to make money too. Just be smart, see opportunities. Don't sit at home saying, I cannot make money. Find a way to make those money because they're out there. Just have to find the opportunities. Subscribe.